Under the Microscope is a series that are behind the scenes at VMEA events. We take a look at the events and what we did well and what we could have improved upon so you don't make the same mistakes that we make. We're going to look at It's Only a Day and what we did for that event. This event was June 2nd, 2021, and it was planned literally a week out. We had Cassandra Mate Visit Orlando. She's the president and CEO. We started with an interview, then golf, and then a reception networking event later on. The first two events were on Facebook Live. The last one was on Zoom. The equipment we used was a Canon camera, a MacBook Pro, a microphone, a tripod, as well as my iPhone. We were in a beautiful studio in the Orange County Convention Center, which had amazing equipment. Mistake number one, we should have used it. But we went on a very low budget. So promptly at 10:33, we streamed live on our wireless internet, and we used Zoom with an Ecamm production background.
Actually be in the room, watch the meeting on TV.
Now, I use Ecamm on Zoom all the time, but on Facebook Live, you got to do some preparation.
On something that's about flexibility and support. And I do have a husband that supports and is willing for my career.
Luckily, we got in early. In visuals, we could see the backlight was flickering. We also did the bottom thirds in advance, and we adjusted the camera to prevent that flickering. With Ecamm, it was easy to actually change the camera, and we had a cameraman move around and have close-ups to Cassandra versus looking at me. Overall, the interview went well. Cassandra's a natural on film, and we were able to get over some of those Facebook Live issues by pulling down the recording and editing it later on. We were even able to do this piece, Under the Microscope, 5 pieces from one day. As we continue to take on tasks, we'll share with you the different things that we do, what worked and what didn't work. Please share with us what you want to see. Heck, you can even produce your own and share it with the VMEA community.